You just found the 2021 GMC Canyon. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Take advantage of the utility and comfort this well-designed Canyon has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.